Now, my dear students, we are going to discuss about the gravitational potential energy. Okay, आपके syllabus में है gravitational potential energy and its expression. What is that? We are going to discuss about the gravitational potential energy. Okay, beta. So I'm going to write here gravitational potential energy और potential energy at some height भी कह सकते हैं इसको, because it refers to the height. Okay, in order to derive the expression for gravitational potential energy, we have to just assume a body. So I will write like this: consider a body of mass m. Okay, consider a block of mass m, consider an object of mass m, whatever, that's up to you. Okay, which has to be reached to a certain height h above the ground. Okay beta, so I'm going to write here like this: consider a block of mass m. Okay beta, समझ आ रही है बात? Can consider a block of mass m which is to be raised okay, to a height h above the ground. ये मैं आपको फिगर के साथ दिखाऊंगा. Let us suppose this is a ground. We have a ground here and this is a block. Very good. It has a mass m. And it has to be raised above the ground to a height h. Okay beta, अपने आप तो raise नहीं होगा. For that purpose I have to apply the force in order to raise this body to a certain height. Okay beta, in order to raise this body to a certain height, suppose this has to be reached at this point, having a mass m which is at a distance of h above the ground. Are you getting me beta? So इसके लिए क्या करना है, मैंने वर्क डन करना है, मैंने फोर्स अप्लाई करना है इसके ऊपर. when I apply the force, लेकिन इसके ऊपर एक पहले से ही फोर्स एक्सर्ट हो रहा है. इसके ऊपर एक ऑलरेडी फोर्स एक्सर्ट हो रहा है इस ब्लॉक के ऊपर, है कि नहीं? वंस कुछ गुबुर, दैट इज द फोर्स ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी, दैट इज इक्वल टू द वेट ऑफ द बॉडी. आपको पता है कि अर्थ अट्रैक्ट्स एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर, दैट इज इक्वल टू द वेट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, वेट ऑफ द बॉडी. इसके ऊपर बेटा फोर्स एक्सर्ट, ऑलरेडी एक फोर्स एक्सर्ट हो रहा है, दैट इज द force that is equal to the weight of the body. Okay beta, and what is that? That is equal to mg, mass of the body, and acceleration due to the gravity. This is the force that is exerted by the earth on this object, on this block. But I have to, देखो अब यहाँ पे फोर्स लग रहा है नीचे से, मतलब in the downward direction. Okay, I have to apply force in the upward direction. That means I have to apply the exactly same force with which this block is getting attracted towards the earth. Are you getting me? So the force which is required to lift the body must be equal to the gravitational force. Okay, that is the weight of the block. This force is actually weight of the block. Okay beta, what is the weight? It's actually the force with which the earth attracts the object. Okay, so the force which is to be required to lift the block is exactly same, must be same, I can say must be same to the gravitational force, that is will be equal to the weight of the block. So I am, आपको आ रही है समझ मेरी बात? मेन गुबर यह आसान m, अमिस पे फोर्स गसान exert, that is the force due to the gravity which is called as weight of the object. मैं शुरू में force अमिस पे apply करूँ, मगर मैं मश करूँ, मैं opposite direction में करूँ, मैं शुरू force exert करना पर that must be equal to the gravitational force that is equal to the weight of the block. So ते लेखा बये तेसी the force required to lift, yes, the block of mass m. ठीक है, m शा mass m, very good, must be equal to the gravitational force. What is gravitational force? That is the weight of the block. weight of the block. Thus टिल के नियर में बराबर फोर्स ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी दैट विल बी इक्वल टू, आपको पता दैट इज इक्वल टू mg, that is equal to mg. And what is the force? So force required to lift the block of mass m must be equal to the gravitational force, that is the weight of the body. That means mg ke has go, that is the weight, that is the weight. Are you getting me? So here w, weight of the block, I am writing the weight of the block, that is equal to mg. Okay, so the force required to lift the block of mass m, this is the f, that is must be equal to the gravitational force of weight. Okay, ये आपको बात, ये आपको आई समझ ये बात कि मैंने जो फोर्स अप्लाई करना है that has to be equal to the weight of the block. Okay, or I can say that means f should be equal to w. Okay, now with the help of this force, the block is getting displaced. Now I am raising this block, that means I have raised this board, I have lifted this block to a certain height. Okay, height matlab goi it has got displaced from a certain position to a certain position, from the ground line, ground surface to a certain point. Okay, इस बीच इसने क्या डिस्टेंस अटेन की है, दैट इज इक्वल टू h, दैट इज इक्वल टू h. सो व्हाट इज द, सो मेरे फोर्स की वजह से डिस्प्लेसमेंट आ गई किस में, ब्लॉक में. what is that equal, that is equal to the work. So work done by the applied force, by the applied force, I am doing the applied force, I am doing the force, I am applying the force, that means work has done by me, work is done by me on this block. So I can write what is the work, work done by the applied force against the gravity. Are you getting me? Against the gravitational force, because work has to be done, work is done against the gravitational force. बॉडी को लिफ्ट किया, बॉडी को डाउनवर्ड्स नहीं पहुंचाया, बॉडी को मैंने ऊपर से लिफ्ट किया. ऊपर से लिफ्ट मतलब को आई एम डूइंग द वर्क अगेंस्ट ग्रेविटी. सो आई विल राइट लाइक दिस, वन सेकंड बुक लिया, आई विल राइट लाइक दिस सिंपली, वर्क डन, वेरी गुड, बाय द अप्लाइड फोर्स, बाय द अप्लाइड फोर्स F, that is against, yes, gravitational force, gravitational force. स्ट्रेस देना है by the applied force, work done by the applied force. Sorry, okay बेटा. So what is that? आपको पता है work is equal to F dot S, that is the dot product of force and displacement. आपको पता है यहाँ पे मैं क्या लिखूँ अब, work is equal to F dot H. yes, what is H, displacement हुई ना यहाँ पे मैंने displacement S, so here S will be equal to H, that is height from the ground. कितनी भी height है उसी को हमने displace किया ना, उसी height तक मैंने displace किया इस block को. so I can write like this, W is equal to F H cos of theta. वही तो गोबर थीटा क्या नेर बराबर तला वही थीटा ना बराबर में वुशु सा फोर्स चुस बकरान अप्लाई इन द लाइक दिस, डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी हो रही है उसी की डायरेक्शन में, फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट, दैट मीन्स एफ. अब मैं फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, सो यहाँ पे मैं फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज इक्वल टू वेट ऑफ द ब्लॉक. ओके बेटा, okay, so that force and displacement, those are in the same direction. What is the theta, value of theta, as F and H are in same direction, very good. So theta is equal to 0 degree, because यहाँ पे स्ट्रेस क्यों दिया मैंने यहाँ पे आप पढ़ो, वर्क डन बाय द अप्लाइड फोर्स, नॉट बाय द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. ओके, अगर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स होता है तो स्टोरी अलग सी होती. ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज द फोर्स दैट इज एक्टिंग इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज गेटिंग अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. सो थीटा वहाँ पे 0 नहीं बनेगा, थीटा वहाँ पे 180 डिग्री बनेगा, दैट यू नो वेरी वेल. सो cos थीटा किसके इक्वल होगा, cos थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू cos 0, बिकॉज थीटा इक्वल टू 0, cos 0 इक्वल 1. what is the value of W, W इक्वल टू F H cos 0 equal to 1, so W is equal to F H. Are you getting me? So what is W? W is equal to F. What is the value of F? That is the weight of the block. What is the weight of the block? That is mg and h. So W is equal to mgh, as force is equal to W. That means it must be equal to the gravitational, yes, gravitational force, that is the weight of the block, and weight of the block आपको पता है W will be equal to mg, F is equal to mg, that is F का वैल्यू मैंने यहाँ पे mg पुट किया. So what is W equal to mgh? W is equal to mgh. Okay beta, this work done, this work done, अब concept of potential energy study करो. This work done on the body resulted in the change in the position of the body. Change in the position, obviously change in the position of the body, because body was first lying at the ground, on the ground. It has got displaced to a certain height h. For that reason some work has to be done on this body, but this work done is getting stored in this body. यहाँ पे object जो है, object body block is lying at here, this point. For that reason some work has done. That work is equal to mgh. Okay, and this work is stored in this body in the form of an energy that is called as potential energy, because there is a change in the position of the body. I got this. So clearly here W will be equal to the potential energy. Okay, so W is equal to potential energy, which implies that potential energy is equal to mgh. मगर कौन सी potential energy? As we have lifted the body to a certain height, so this potential energy refers to the height of the object. When it refers to the height of an object, it is called as gravitational potential energy. So here ये जो potential energy है, this is actually the gravitational potential energy against the gravity. This is the work done against the gravity. Okay, that is stored in the form of an energy that is called as potential energy. Okay, so potential energy को हम U के साथ भी डिनोट करते हैं. Okay बेटा, U के साथ डिनोट करते हैं पोटेंशियल एनर्जी को. यहाँ PE डायरेक्ट लिखो, दैट कोई टेंशन नहीं है. Potential energy, this is the gravitational potential, and this is the expression for gravitational potential. What is this? mgh. So it directly depends upon the height of the object. Okay, more will be the height, more is going to be the gravitational potential energy. And इसी के बहुत सारे applications हैं. डैम का water जो होता है ना, that is stored रिजर्वायर में at very much height, at certain height. क्यों? बिकॉज वहाँ पे उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल एनर्जी मिलती है. आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी आप वहाँ पे ज़्यादा मिलती है, सो जिसकी वजह से फिर वो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस हैवियर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बॉडी दैट गेट्स द वाटर गेट्स मच वेलोसिटी, बिकॉज फिर वो मच वेलोसिटी दैट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी के साथ वो फ्लो कर जाता है. ओके, सो इट डायरेक्टली डिपेंड्स अपॉन द हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. जितनी ज़्यादा हाइट होगी उतनी ज़्यादा उसमें स्टोर्ड एबिलिटी आएगी एनर्जी की, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. एंड दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ gravitational potential energy, and we came to know gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh. Okay, mass of the body, mass of the block, acceleration due to the gravity g, and height at which it has been raised to a certain height above the ground. Okay, this was all about the gravitational potential energy.